Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put about P equals to this one and Q equals to this one. So we have the S in here. That means we need to do first the derivative of this function with respect to y. So we have dp over dy. So that means y will be variable x just like the number. So if we do first the derivative of this one, you will have negative 2yx and we have x squared plus y squared to the power of 2. Next, we do similar. This is about dy. So we do first the derivative of the function with respect to x. And we have dq over ds equal to negative 2xy over x squared plus y squared to the power of 2. We see that db over dy equals to dq over ds. We can use about exact. That means I will put about fsy equals to this integration plus 3sy. So the integration of s, you got s squared over 2. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s squared plus y squared. And we have 3sy. Next, we need to do first the derivative of the function with respect to y for the both sides. So first derivative of this one, you got about 0. First derivative of this one, we will have y over s squared plus y squared. And we have 3sy. And this is about d over dy. And we know that this one is equals to this one in here. Now, we have this equation. We simplify y over s squared plus y squared for the both sides in here. And now we just have this one left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of y dy, we have y squared over 2 and we put about c. And this one we simplify and we have 3sy. So after we find 3sy into this one in here, we can return back from here. And we put 3sy into this one and equal to c. That's the end. Thank you for watching.